Hi friends, welcome to my channel Web Techie. I am Sudhakar Reddy and in this video I am going to explain you how to apply a background image using CSS. Friends, before proceeding to the next topic, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon there and share my videos, like my videos, comment my videos and let us continue for the topic. Thank you. In last video we discussed about how to change the background color using background property. Now in this tutorial we are going to discuss background image property here, and in this background image property you can see this, there is a URL universal resource locator and which contains a picture. You can place a picture. So picture can be JPG file or a picture can be a GIF file or a PNG file. So friends, let us use this background image in our web page. So let us use the previous file which we used it in the previous video. So let me continue this and I'll show you once again that output of this file. So this is the output we got it with the previous code, but instead of this color I want to apply an image here. So let us use the image. I have some images in my folder. You can see there is something called flower.jpg file and one more is flower2.jpg file. So these files I'll use it. So let me use one file called flower.jpg file. So let me change this background of this body. So as I said, background property is background image and we have to use URL, and here you have to give the image name, and the image name is flower.jpg file, but that image is there in subfolder under images subfolder in my system. So I am going to use this. Now see the output of this file. I am going to save this file and let us run this, reload this page. Now can you see this friends? We got a background image. On this we got this text. So let me remove this paragraph because it is disturbing our content. So let me remove this background. Let me remove that paragraph. So how to remove the paragraph? We have a paragraph here. I am deleting this and I have only one element, that is h1, which contains some text. How to change background color of a web page using CSS. Now if I save this file and if you run this, you can see there is a background image which is repeating horizontally and vertically, and this image is having some size. And I want to take one more small image here. There is a one more image in my folder that is called flower2.jpg file. Now when I reload this page, now you can see, so this image is smaller than the previous image. Now you can see that image is repeating number of times horizontally and vertically. So friends, so we got a background image in this here. So now let us see how to change these background properties. That means here you can see the background is repeating horizontally and vertically, but I want to repeat it only horizontally. I want to repeat it only vertically. So all these topics we will discuss in the next video. So thank you for watching my video. So friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my videos, and like and share my videos. Thank you very much.